guys, Farmer Jenna here, ready to do a product test on the Urban Worm Bag. Yay! So, I am super stoked about this product. It came from the Urban Worm Farmer. And man, I forgot where he's out of. This is a terrible video, I'm so sorry. But hey, anyways, let's get down to business about this and set it up. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Oh, I will ruin a little bit of the surprise. I've already opened this and I cannot get this bag back in the box. How did they get this in here? It's so big and it's so small. Ah! But this does have 5 cubic square feet, no, surface area feet. Man, I need to get more educated about this. This is my first like how-to video on a serious product. So yeah, I guess welcome to me trying to farm. Yeah, I'm still inside, so that's not working, is it? But I'm working on it. I am super excited about trying this out. So this is a flow-through worm composter, which means you put all of the bedding and your compost in here and you wait till it gets more full, and then you can unzip this magical little compartment. And use this to just let the worm castings fall out the bottom. So I think that's pretty nifty. Let's go ahead and get this out and set up and see how hard it is to set up. First mission, opening the box. Super difficult. Just kidding. Alright. We've got all of our plastic connector pieces here. Crossbars. And short crossbars. Woo-hoo! And things that I did go ahead and buy. I got this from my local Home Depot, Lowe's. This was like $3 or $4. I know they sell coconut coir bricks, but I ended up getting some locally because hey, it's here. Already been shipped, well, sort of locally. Lowe's is like, and I did find a magical clipboard to keep track of my worm food and how much it weighs and what they're eating here. And this was $1.99 at a Salvation Army. So hey, you can, it was probably overpriced, but hey, I needed a clipboard. I was out and searching. All right, let's get this hat off. Woo! Never knew how hot hats were. Let's start building this shenanigans. There are directions at the bottom of the box. Hey, you, come out. You don't want to come visit me. Nothing. Alright, this is going to be continued. They're down there somewhere. Okay. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that we also need some paper scraps, shreds. Newspaper is the preferred method of choice, but any paper that is uncolored is a great option. So thought I'd check out my local paper shredder. I mean, it's at my house already. So hey, we've got this guy built. And guess how long it took? 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Can you believe that? All of that building, bam, mission accomplished. Oh, also, fun fact about that booklet, that I accidentally smashed the bottom of the box because I unboxed and reboxed but did not bring out the instruction booklet. I'm so sorry. So I've got a quick start guide, and while I was looking for the directions, I didn't need to look very hard because they were right here. Yeah, on the box. Reading is great. Sorry. Alright, so we've got this little guy assembled very quickly, very easily. Let's go take a look-see. So this is how big my dining room table is right now. You know, about this big, about this tall, you know, like average dining room table height. And this is how big the worm bin is. It's just a little bigger than I was anticipating. I mean, it's not a bad thing, is it? But I mean, I'm just gonna get so many more worms in there. But it's a little overwhelming when it's
taller than my dining room table because I was like, oh, I'll just shove it under my computer desk or something like that. So that's one little holdup that I've got right this second, but I'm sure I'll be all right. One super kudo that I owe to the Urban Worm Bag, though, is how small of a packing box they had to get this guy in, and how large this comes out. I mean, who knew all of this? Yeah, this little baby box. Good job. My babies are here! Baby worms, do, baby worms. Yeah! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. They are hermetically sealed in here. Not getting out. I'm gonna need some pliers or something for this. Oh, by the way, these live worms came from the Urban Worm Bag creator person, so we've got some worms to get up and open. Let these babies out! Man, they do not want these worms to escape. Alright. Going for the zip ties. For the zip ties. Or I guess a knife. All the tools. Are they trying to get out? So this is 1 pound of worms. The moment of truth. My first worms. Ah! Oh no. There's a baby. He's trying to escape. Hello, little baby. Look how tiny he is. Oh yeah, he's very alive. You're on the wrong side of the bag, sweetheart. Oh, come here. I gotcha. Whoa. 1. For there's supposed to be about 1,000 worms, so... Oh, there's another one. He's trying to escape as well. 2. Ah. Hey. Ah! Oh no. You'll get in there. I have my bedding all prepared, by the way. Eee! Hi. Everybody's trying to climb out. I mean, that makes sense. Oh. Look into the depth. You can't see anything in this picture. And I guess I'll just dump them in and then we'll look. Ready for that? Ready for the shenanigans? Got a few stragglers in there we'll have to go rescue. Oh, wow. Did you just see that move? Did you see that? Oh, wow. They're also alive. Oops. Hi. We've got a baby. Well, he's not a baby. He's a grown-up. They're all going to be my little baby worms. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, they're all hanging out in coconut core. Core. Oh, yeah. Camera photography. Hello. Hi.
So we've got a bed run, I would say, here. Got some little babies and got some big grown-uppies. Oh yeah. They're all hanging out in their core and their shredded paper. Just like I've got set up for them here. Well, I guess I shall leave them alone to get acquainted with their new habitat. Say dive, 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 little guys. Yay! They got a few more straggly pussies. Seems like the babies are the wiggliest worms trying to escape. There's still a few of them in here. Maybe they can just crawl the easiest. See? You can focus. There you go. There they are. It's not focusing. Focus. Yeah. Little babies. Little baby worms. Well, I will leave the top of this open so they can get adjusted and start burrowing, and then I'll give them some food soon. Alright, let's get wormy. Uh-oh, we've got some escapees already. Dun 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 dun. That guy. Guys, it's okay, I promise. Go back in the bin. Got the lights on and everything. Maybe I need brighter lights. More lights. Go away from the lights! Uh-oh. Well, he's trying to bury him between my fingers and get back away from the light. I wonder if his head is buried, if his body can't see the light. Let's release him back where he was. So, I was a little worried when I first got started. I think my soil was too dry, and then my worm bedding arrived a little dry, as I would expect. And then I just didn't get enough moisture back into the system, but I finally think I've worked enough moisture back in that I don't have to worry about my worms drowning from lack of oxygen. The opposite of drowning. So they're getting a little happy, getting to hang out with some decomposing fruit in there. I think I'm going to wait until I see a lot of decomposition before I add anything else in there. But let's see if we can dig up a little handful of worms to do and show and tell with. Oh, there is one in there. There's two in there. Wow! Hello! Oh, is there a third one in there? Hi, guys. They don't like the light, but I'm showing them off right now. So this was in the very, top inch of soil. We've got some critter crawlers up there. So I think they're getting a little happier. We'll just let them roam around. And alright, one more. I just want to pet them. Are there any babies in here? This is too far up on the side. No one likes this little spot. Oh, there's one. Oh, hello. Got a wiggler. They're looking a lot better now. They had some, almost orange or yellow stripe-looking things on them. Whoa, is that worm trying to have a baby right now? What? It's too little to have a baby. I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off and get two hands on this situation. What? Alright, so I separated him out, and he just has a little yellow tail. There's two of them there. Although I dug into my coffee grounds section, and we have got quite the population. I cannot tell with coffee grounds, so I'll ask this here as a question if anyone else knows, but I feel like coffee grounds are already so decomposed, they're almost like vermicompost. I mean, I know they're not, but do coffee grounds rot and get nasty, and can I just put coffee grounds directly in my plant? Because that whole side over there has a lot of coffee grounds. I got them from Starbucks. I don't drink coffee, but we will see. Sneak in the urban worm bag without them noticing. It won't work, but look really fast. Now it's out there. There they are, escaping from the light. Blinded by the light. Hey guys. Hi. Hello. Also, this is not a worm. That is a worm. Anything going on in the dark here that my phone can see? You can see in there better than I can.
also learned that coffee grounds are not their favorite food because they've just been sterilized by hot water, which is not a good way to get microbes into your diet, which is what earthworms love. There's another one. Hello, little earthworm. He's crawling along. Yeah, I did put some pumpkin in there that's very moldy, but that's quite alright. A little bit of mold is alright with me. Just getting all fuzzy.
I hope you enjoyed watching. Happy farming!